I see the 777, Daddy. It's approaching the area. There it is. You see it?
Yeah.
It's not going to fly directly over, but that's going to be loud, Daddy. Okay? This has Rolls-Royce engines, so make sure to listen to its roar. I don't hear it yet.
Where's it going?
London?
Amazing.
I hear it.
Wow. Listen to that.
Yeah, sounds good. Holy cow. That thing is massive. Earlier I got the Air France 777. Sounds different because this guy has Rolls-Royce and Air France has General Electric. That trouble I'll eventually take back into the shed, okay?